Hello friends and welcome to the Forest Stalker Brothers channel, but in today's episode only me, Jerin, will be taking you on a very short journey about the RD-54, featuring the BTK Group RD-54 vsr98 Flora. Origin: Soviet Union, made for paratrooper units. Current military use: Russian VDV units, Ukraine, of Soviet leftovers for second line troops or private purchases, trophies from the Russian invasion taken from captured or KIA Russian soldiers. Production goes from 1954 till today. Version 1, 1954 till 2000, treated cotton, solid khaki color. Version 2, 2000 till today, nylon, VSR or digital flora made. Version 3, SSO RD-54, nylon, large variety of colors and patterns, most modern production with mole system. RD-54 main features: main compartment, dimensions in centimeters, 27 by 27 by 10. Inside, with straps for additional carry capability, example with a blanket. Double AK-74 magazine pouch and double grenade pouch. Usually comes with a holster for sapper spade, however mine doesn't have one. The system doesn't come ready for use, requires a Soviet or other socialist complex surplus belt with width of 40 to 45 mm for holding pouches in place. To run the belt through the pouch loops, remove the clasp, not the buckle, from your belt and put it around your waist while running it through the pouch loops. Attach your clasp again and buckle up. The RD-54 is now ready. The original setup wasn't used much in the Soviet-Afghan war, with soldiers modifying their gear. You can find many examples of this at a website I will provide in the comment or in the description. If you cannot find any original, Polish shop Frontowiec sells high quality, modern made RD-54 in digital flora camouflage, if that is your thing. Of course, again, the link will be in the description. I must say though, I am not sponsored by them in any way. And as an ending, I would like to add one more detail. It has been featured in Call of Duty Cold War with Port Nova using the first generation of RD-54. This is Jerin from the Forest Stalker Brothers and I thank you very much for watching the video.